We asked ChatGPT why is that USA has the most UFO sighting? Are the Americans obsessed with UFOs? Do UFOs exist? According to ChatGPT, the United States has reported the most UFO sightings, likely due to a combination of factors. The country has a large population, vast land area, and advanced technology for detecting and reporting sightings. Additionally, the US government has a history of investigating UFOs, which has helped to raise public awareness of the phenomenon. It is difficult to say whether Americans are obsessed with UFOs. While there is certainly a fascination with the topic, it is not necessarily unique to the United States. UFO sightings have been reported in countries all over the world, and interest in the topic is often driven by popular media such as movies and television shows. As for the question of whether UFOs exist, it is currently unknown. While many reported sightings can be explained as natural phenomena or human-made objects, there are still a small percentage of sightings that remain unexplained. Until more conclusive evidence is gathered, it is impossible to say definitively whether UFOs are real or not.